heat-proof fragrances for the summer that will have you smelling like money, rich, luxurious. I got you, babes. My name is Gani and I talk about fragrances on this channel, and I would love for you to like this video and subscribe. Okay, so the first one I have for you guys in here is Angelic Noire by Guerlain. This is a musky green vanilla that is just so elegant, some powderiness in there. This is not too sweet, it's not too syrupy that would be cloying in the summer months. This one is elegance. This is a classy woman in a bottle. Such a masterpiece of a vanilla fragrance. That is Angelic Noire by Guerlain. The next one I have for you guys in here is Millésimé, and this is Scherzo. This is a musky rose oud patchouli combination. She brings all the drama to the party. This is one oud rose combo that you can rock in the summer months, because most of the time that oud can be too strong, too powerful, but this one, summer approved, attention approved. Okay, I just love the drama. I love the drama. And this is Scherzo by Millésimé. The next one in here is Rosa Millesime. Ooh. This one is brunch date in a bottle. This is a woody citrus champagne scent with rose. It's beautiful. It's bright. It's sparkling. This is the woman that brings people together. She's the host, okay? Such a masterpiece. I love this one so much. It just gives that girly pop vibe that I'm here for all summer long. Okay, all summer long, and it lasts so long. Next one in here is Sospiro Vibrato. This is a fresh grapefruit scent with spices from ginger. It has some greenness to it. Think about a cold, very cold, fizzy drink on a hot summer day, skinny dipping somewhere on the highland. This one is just fresh. It's long lasting, very beast mode. She loves to have all the fun. She's on vacation somewhere, having the best time of her life, okay? The next one in here is by Parfums de Mali, and this is Valaya. This was my scent of the day, guys. Happy Sunday. I went to church. Did you go to church? This is a musky, outer edic, white floral scent. It's beast mode. It's posh. It's elegant. Think about clean girl aesthetic, linen pants. I love this one so much. I got a compliment today, actually. I got 2 compliments today. So this was a win for me. It's long lasting. It projects. This one makes a statement in a quiet, luxurious way. Like, she has money. I want to have money. The next one in here is this exotic queen. This is Lamar by Kajal. Oh, okay. The name's right here. Lamar by Kajal. This is a fresh, fruity floral scent. It's ripe pineapple, juicy, mouth-watering pineapple, contrasted with that tart green apple note with red berries. Has some florals in there, rosy, some white florals. It's beautiful. It's long-lasting. It projects. Such a masterpiece of a fruity fragrance. She's exotic. She's on a tropical vacation. Lamar by Kajal. The next one I have in here is Amouage Existence. If you've not tried this one yet, where have you been? Where are you? You need to put your nose on this one. This is a masterpiece of a fragrance. This is outdated, modern day lily of the valley, incense, and loads of amber. It's fresh, it's clean, it's very soapy. Think about the most expensive bar of soap you've ever used in your life in a very luxurious hotel on vacation somewhere. Expensive. This is beautiful, beautiful. She gets all the attention. This one is an attention grabber for sure. Okay, she's gonna have people stopping you to ask, what are you wearing? Who's that girl? Who is that girl? She's the main character. The next one I have in here is another one from Sospiro, and this is Contrato. This is a woody, white floral, cashmere, some nuttiness, some creaminess fragrance. I love this one so much. It smells very comforting, very clean, very nostalgic. She is mother, okay? Think about a warm hug from your mom, how sweet, comforting, cozy that feels. That's what this one makes me feel. I love this one so much. It's long lasting. It's compared to Powder Freak by Byredo, but this is woodier, denser. Delicious. Delicious, okay? The next one I have in here is by Mancera, and this is Roses Vanille. This is roses and vanilla and musk with some powderiness. It's delicious, it's sweet, it's floral. This one smells very youthful and very fun for me. This is a summer vanilla that you can rock on a hot day without it getting too chlorine and syrupy and sticky. It's delicious, it's youthful, it's fun. She has all the fun on a summer day, okay? Roses Vanille by Mancera. And it lasts so long. If you know Mancera, you know this is beast mode, okay? Beast mode. So the last one I have for you guys in here is Amouage Sunshine Woman. First of all, guys, this is the prettiest bottle in my collection. I just love that yellow and white. It's bright. It's giving sunshine in a bottle. And I have my yellow nails to match. This one is apricot jelly or peach. I also get some peach nuances to it because this has osmanthus. Osmanthus smells like stone fruit, so it smells like apricot or peaches. This one is apricot jelly in a bottle. It's creamy, almost latonic on my skin, but it has this unique white tobacco note that smells like fresh tobacco that is rolled up that you're never gonna light up. It's unique, it's fun, it's bright, it's long lasting. This is a very unique take, very artistic take on a sweet syrupy fragrance. So you're not just getting that juvenile sweet syrupy smell, you're getting something that is very unique, very artistic. And yeah, this is Amouage Sunshine Woman, and it lasts so long, 8+ hours. Okay, so yeah, besties, those are the 10 fragrances I have for you guys that just smells rich on a hot summer day. Let me know what you're wearing, what you're rocking this summer months that have you smelling very rich, that have you smelling like you have money. Okay. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and do not forget to like this video, subscribe, join the family. Okay, bye.